Cold, open to a world draped in green, a question arises: why are tree leaves green? It's a grand symphony of science. Chlorophyll, the pigment in leaves, absorbs sunlight, but it's picky. It favors blue and red light, reflecting the green. That's why we see leaves as green. What about being green, environmentally speaking? It's not just a trend, it's a necessity. By reducing waste, conserving resources and promoting sustainability, we keep our planet healthy. Imagine a world where the air is cleaner, the water is purer and wildlife thrives. That's the world we're striving for when we go green. Remember, every small step towards being green can make a world of difference. The trees have it right. Maybe it's time we follow their lead. Loop back to the start if you're hungry for more knowledge. Until next time, stay curious.